Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Dandin and I would like to share my experience with the eVision 45 days internship program. Joining eVision was truly one of the best decisions I made to start my IT career. From the very beginning, the program was well structured, programmed, completely focused on practical, industry oriented learning, and etc. During the internship, I gained hands on knowledge in Windows administration, Active Directory, ITIL, and CCNA basics. The trainers explained concepts in very simple and clear manner, which helped me a lot. Then one of the biggest strength of a vision is the mock interview sessions where they check your communication skills, training progress, and etc. Step by step, I started to feel very comfortable and confident while attending the real interviews. I would especially like to appreciate the placement team who were extremely helpful, supportive, and encouraging throughout the entire journey of my placement. They constantly motivated us, shared interview updates on time, and guided us how to improve or prepare the further interviews. Their encouragement really helped me to stay positive. I am also very thankful to my recruiter Deepthi for her support, guidance, and motivation. With the strong training and placement assistance from Evision, I got placed in two companies in Bangalore. One is Movate and one is Softtech. And I would love to share you that I have accepted the offer letter from Softtech company with the CTC of 3.5. And overall, Evision is an excellent platform for freshers who want to proper technical training, hands-on experience, and genuine placement support. The team really helps you well to grow and success, and I will highly recommend Evision to anyone who wants to confidently start a career in the IT field. Thank you.